Hello guys and welcome back. Today Bitcoin good bounce, and stay with me till the last because today I'm gonna reveal 3 long entries I've made this morning. So Bitcoin had a pretty decent bounce here, and as I told you this morning on the other video, do not panic sell because on the 4-hour chart there was a bullish divergence which indicated from these previous times that we're gonna get a bounce, and in fact we did it. Something also worth of notice, I didn't mention this morning, every time we dipped and closed below, it only took us the next 12-hour candle to get back in and stay in the channel, and in fact we stayed outside the channel for 12 hours. It was a 12-hour close, and the next 12 hours here we went straight in, and eventually I believe that this is the start of going back up to retest the upper trend line of this channel, which would be about 50k. So that's it for Bitcoin. We'll move to MBOX now. MBOX is currently again bouncing from this very strong support area to 55 to 60 area. It's forming a very beautiful W pattern on the 12-hour chart. So our next target is to go and retest this neckline, which is about $3. And with the 6-hour time frame, we can also see, sorry, I removed this one. On the 6-hour chart, we can see that we have a bullish divergence here, and the price has a double bottom of the same height. So there is bullish divergence on the 6-hour, which indicate that we're going back up. Moving to GMT. GMT, it's exploding. It's very strong. I've noticed some bullish momentum, and as I previously explained, I entered a long trade which is currently about 42% in profit, so I'm very happy for that. To be honest, I predicted that it was going to be a cup and handle. We formed the cup, but right now, at least right now, we are breaking the all-time high. If we manage to keep these highs, it's still too early to see. At least we need maybe a 6-hour close, because we are having the first signs of exhaustion. So we might do that handle that I predicted previously, but to be honest, we're kind of breaking it and we're going very good. Next coin is AVAX. AVAX is still retesting this trend line after the break, and on the 12-hour we also have a bullish divergence on the RSI. As you can see, we have a bullish divergence, so it would be a good idea of entering a long trade here with stop loss maybe somewhere here around 68, and targeting, let me get the technical target. The technical target of this triangle, and being slightly conservative, would be around 157. Let me check. Yes, it's about 157. So a good idea would be to make 2 targets. 157 is the most aggressive one, but to be conservative, we could also trade this with the first target profit here at around $99, which is this previous resistance. So this is a very good entry. You can take it if you would like, of course, and do your own research. Next coin is IOTEX. IOTEX, this morning I told you that I'm going to enter a long trade because we were in a very strong support area, which also I was 99.9% believed that Bitcoin would bounce, so that would mean for IOTEX a very decent bounce. Of course, this is about, if I measured correctly, it's about 62% to the upside. Next in line is LRC. This is a new coin for today. LRC has a massive breakout pattern. This is the bump and run pattern. As you can see, let me resize this a little bit. As you can see, the bump and run pattern, basically you have the lead-in phase here, which is this part. You have the bump phase here, which is this big part here. And then we have the breakout and retesting currently at this trend line, which is worth of noting that it is currently retesting in a very massive support. This green channel had multiple resistance and support times, so basically I am very confident that this channel would hold and eventually going up. The technical target of this pattern is the top of here, so it would be around 340, and I officially entered this trade a few minutes ago. So I entered LRC on about 0.9142. Next in line, and the last one, and I entered this one also, Luna has been in this massive upward channel from last year, May 2021. Okay, it's been trending in this channel, retesting the middle line every time. So we know that the middle line is very strong as resistance and support. Okay, so my target would be, I entered at 88.53. My stop loss would be about $64 or $65. Okay, this is my actual target and stop loss, so mine is 64.74, and the target for me, the first target, then I would reassess, is to touching the middle line at 159.57, maybe 160 to round it up. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Kindly like and subscribe, and tell me if you have some coins that you need any analysis on it. See you tomorrow for the update.